So this video is for somebody that actually bought a brand new sewing machine and somebody that's a beginner. So what you need to do, take your sewing machine out of your box. I'm just going to use my Singer. I'm not advertising any brand or any make of sewing machine. Very important you get hold of your instruction manual, right? Please do this. You open it, you see what they have to say. Important safety instructions. Just have a quick read. It's all about things that you need to do, and it's all about safety. Now, very important, the next one, you have to read what the list of the contents is going to be. It gives you an idea all the things that your sewing machine will be able to do. Now, the principal parts of the machine. Even if you are a very experienced sewing person, you have to study the particular brand because every sewing machine is going to be different. Like number one is going to be, this is number one, is the thread tensile dial. You don't have to remember all the particular parts, because later on you are always going to refer back to this manual. So keep this manual close to your sewing machine at all times. The accessories is very important. Mine came with a plastic bag. Yours might be in a special case. These items are the minimum ones I received, but you can go buy individual accessories as you feel later on. But you need to understand what came with your sewing machine. Read through it and understand basically what it can do. It will show you how to wind the bobbin, and you could even go to the YouTube channels to help you. You read how to insert the bobbin. Many sewing machines have this automated needle threader, but you don't even have to use that. If you don't want to. This is the important one, how to choose your pattern depending on your sewing machine. This is a basic sewing machine with basic patterns. The stitch width dial and stitch length dial. This is what this machine are able to do. I need to read through it to understand my machine. I noticed choosing the stitch patterns. They will tell you what you need to do. You just read through it for now. You read quickly through the buttonhole, steps of the buttonhole. When you are going to be making a buttonhole, then you will be studying exactly the steps of making the buttonhole. I just jumped to page 24, attaching the presser foot shank. They show you exactly what you need to do. You just read through it until you're going to get busy with your sewing machine. So you've got an idea what's happening with your sewing machine. Always keep the dust cover. It helps to protect your sewing machine from dust, and when you scratches and marks, you protect your sewing machine. You can sew later on your own cover. You take it off. Now, if you've read your instructions, they will tell you actually what you need to do, and some comes with a DVD, a CD, my sewing machine says. Plug it in there. This is one for New Zealand. You need to plug it against the wall socket. And this is going to be your foot pedal. You put this one on the floor. So everything is plugged in. Now you are going to start exploring. I switched on my sewing machine. It has a light. My needle is already in. I look at, oh, I need a bobbin. Your sewing machine will come with a bobbin. In my next videos, I will show you how I wind my bobbin. But this is the way it's going to be. Now, I discovered, oh, where should I be putting my thread? Now, that's supposed to be in here. But you know what? Mine was plastic and it broke off. But you can also put it over here. So my thread will go here. You are going to study your machine, how you need to thread your sewing machine. I will make some videos about threading later. Before you're gonna start, get out a piece of fabric. This is a woven type. It's not stretchy. It's stuff, you know. It doesn't stretch. This is going to be easy piece of fabric to practice on. So by now you will be very excited, and the most important is going to know how to do the straight stitch. So you are going to find, you use your manual now and find the straight stitch. And I've got everything sorted already and ready to practice. Sewing machine's tension is already set for you, don't bother with that. Just leave it as it is. You're going to be making something very simple. And I would suggest you make yourself a tote bag so that you can put all your belongings in. When you are ready to start stitching, I suggest you're going to get your thread that's needed for your project, the tote bag. And in my next video, I will actually speak about buying and using a second-hand sewing machine. Until next time, enjoy the sewing.